Today, our problem of the day is called Sweet Sales, and it's all about ice cream. An ice cream truck sells 3 types of cones: chocolate, vanilla, and swirl. Swirl is the chocolate and vanilla mixed together. If they sell 24 chocolate cones, 18 vanilla cones, and 30 swirl cones, how many cones were sold in total? Let's look at the important information here. We're going to highlight 24 chocolate cones, 18 vanilla cones, and 30 swirl cones. I probably could have just highlighted the numbers. How many cones were sold in total is our question. Make sure you pause and try it yourself before you see how I solve it. This is how you're going to learn best. Okay, I'm writing down all the important information that I know. And again, I know it's right in front of us. We can read it, but writing things down helps our brain remember important things. So 24 chocolate cones, 18 vanilla cones, 30 swirl cones. How many cones were sold in total? Have you figured out that the operation we need to do is addition? We need to add all these cones together to figure out the total amount. I've stacked my numbers by place value, meaning that the ones are all on top of each other and the tens are all on top of each other. And when we add them together, we are going to get 72. 24 plus 18 plus 30 is 72. The ice cream truck sold 72 cones in total. Maybe I should do a problem coming up where we figure out how much money they made. If each cone was $3 and they sold 72, how many dollars do you think they made? What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? I'm a big chocolate person, but I don't love soft serve. I like really dark chocolate, and it doesn't usually come in soft serve. What flavor would you pick? Enjoy your day.